She has been a Wall Street attorney and a New York City prosecutor. Now Judge Faith Jenkins has her own court show, and it is premiering tonight on Fox 45.
Yeah, Judge Faith joins us live right now from Los Angeles. Judge Faith, good morning. Thanks for joining us. I know you're up early out there.
Good morning. It is early, but you know what? I'm usually on East Coast time, so this is actually the time that I'm usually up in the morning, so I'm totally fine.
What do you think about, they're so popular, these judge shows, and surely yours will be the most popular of all, I must say. But why do you think they are? Why do we like watching this courtroom drama?
You know, I think that judge shows are sort of like reality TV, the first sort of reality TV shows, because for the most part, these are real people, real litigants that have actual disputes, and they filed those disputes in small claims courts around the country. So we find them and they come on the show, and let me tell you, they're very passionate about their issues. Some of the cases, people are only suing for a couple of $100s, but it's about the principle, and they're very passionate about it, and people like to see what's going on in other people's lives.
And Judge Faith, talk about some of the dynamics in the courtroom. What is your kind of bench personality going to be? Because a lot of these judges, you have to have that personality that is informative and also very strict too.
You know, I think that I take a sort of the stance that I usually take when I'm a prosecutor and I'm prosecuting cases, and that's sort of the tough, no-nonsense approach. Because you have people, they come in, like I said, they're very passionate about their cases, but you have a limited amount of time to ask them questions and get to the bottom line, and that's what I want to do. I want to find out the truth about what's going on with people and make the right decision. So we have times that are really lighthearted, very funny. There are times when there are litigants who have really heartbreaking backgrounds and those issues come up, so it's more serious. And you know, there's obviously the entertainment side of it. We have a lot of fun, but at the end of the day, I like to keep order and for people to understand that there's a certain decorum and they have to respect that.
And that brings up the question, how real is it? I know you have to alter things from a real courtroom for television purposes, but your judgments and rulings, they are legally binding. I mean, this is the real thing we're watching, correct?
Yes, they are legally binding, and we found almost all of our cases from actual small claims courts from around the country. So people have actually filed these cases, and they decide when they come on our show to remove their lawsuits from court and bring it before me. And once I render a verdict, it is final and they have to abide by it. So it is the real deal.
Thank you, Judge Faith. If you want to catch the show, maybe you're a night owl or an early bird, the show will premiere overnight tonight at 4 and 4:30 right here on Fox 45.